Hello, people. I want to address some myths, some misconceptions about coronavirus and coronavirus vaccines. I've heard some people talk about corona vaccines having the capacity to change human DNA and also being able to kill some people. Well, to this, there's no scientific evidence. These vaccines have been developed through scientific research, and they have been certified free and safe for human use. As much as we know, these vaccines have gone through different levels of checks. They have been scrutinized. They have been experimented, right from animals onto humans at different levels, and they were followed over time and have been declared safe for human use. So there is no evidence whatsoever to the fact that coronavirus vaccine kills. And coronavirus vaccine does not change human DNA. It doesn't. Yes, in circulation right now, we have two technologies that have been deployed in the production of coronavirus vaccine. One is the RNA technology, and the other is the adenovirus technology. All of these have their own peculiarities. All of these have been proven to be effective, and even more effective in the prevention of coronavirus is the RNA technology. Examples of coronavirus vaccines with RNA technology are Pfizer and Moderna. These two have up to 95% efficacy of preventing coronavirus. And the mechanism of their action does not in any way change human DNA. It doesn't. It stimulates the body to produce antibody against coronavirus, so that when one eventually becomes exposed to coronavirus, the body has the capacity to fight this infection. That does not in any way change human DNA. Disregard this falsehood. There is no scientific basis to it. Such does not exist. If you hear anybody tell you this, ask for proof. Let them prove how this happens. But what I've told you is the fact, and it's scientific. I've also heard another disbelief that coronavirus figures are being manipulated in Nigeria. Well, all I can say to this end is that coronavirus is real and it exists. I, in my practice, make diagnosis of coronavirus day in, day out, especially in this second wave. I'm not talking about week in, week out, day in, day out, in tons. In less than a week, I have made over 10 diagnoses of coronavirus. Cases I have seen with clear symptoms, suspected, and then tested. The results came to be positive. This infection is very much with us. It affects people. It kills people. Take a look around your environment. Take a look in your vicinity. Don't you know one or two persons who have been killed by this disease? Okay, even if you don't know anybody, let it not affect any of your relatives, your friends, or anybody in your neighborhood. Have you not known of prominent men and women who have been called to the grave beyond as a result of this disease? People are dying. People have died. It's time we face the reality. It's time we say no to this falsehood. The government is not falsifying anything. This disease is real and it lives with us. Let's do everything we can to prevent the transmission of this disease. Everybody using face masks, everybody keeping social distance, everybody keeping good hand hygiene, everybody being vaccinated. This way, we are going to break the chain of transmission, and this is how we are going to defeat this virus. We don't have treatment for coronavirus, but these are ways we can prevent this disease from living with us. This way, we are going to break the chain of transmission, and the disease will keep lowering and lowering and lowering until we defeat it in the end. Thank you very much.